Hi, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. God bless and protect you from any areas you're watching from, and you're ready to hear the truth from the original truth master, the man that all of you already know with honest and truth. But in case you don't know, I'm His Royal Highness King Jeff Agubola. Oledo is the name. Obanjana Abwegeze ndi one of United Arab Emirates. Ugu 7 of Ugu Kingdom, one Amuro and Enugu State. Yearly of Mbrimbwana number. Right now, Mbrimbwam is about to holler number, so you can hear my voice properly. Tell someone to share this video about this Nif, stupid, useless guy that call himself doctor, whatever thing he call himself, Matthias. Please, ladies and gentlemen, my fellow African, my fellow Americans, my fellow Asians, and my fellow Europeans, and the whole people from the whole world, please, sometimes don't allow some idiots, some useless, hungry idiots, some foolish, I cannot afford what Mr. A is doing. Let me tell you something very quickly. Jealousy is an evil disease. Jealousy is a very worst poison on earth. Attitude Unit Gold Class, we are producing this. You cannot afford to buy my cup. Does not mean that, what is this man doing? I beg, make it come out here. No! You cannot afford to help the poor the same way Prophet Jeremiah is helping people. Does not give you right, useless, stupid internet right, to come out and begin to talk to a great prophet of God. Now devil go punish you and your generation. I know Sabi say Ogu, but Ogu will kill you and your generation. What the fuck is wrong with you, idiot? You don't have sense. You don't have conscience. You don't have mind. Even if your useless courage have poisoned your mind, who give you right to get up and talk about men of God? Now devil will punish you. Even open your mouth and talk about the priests, the pastors, the priests, this one. They should come and challenge with 1 million. May 1 million bury your family alive. May spirit of 1 million destroy your generation. Bastard. I am so upset when I hear this idiot talking today. I just watched this video today. Somebody just called me, Your Highness, have you seen this video? I said, which video? He said, one guy, he says he's from your state. You're not from Enugu State, you're from Nsukka. You are from Nsukka, you're a disgrace to people of Nsukka. You're a disgrace to the governor of Nsukka. Enugu State is my father name. I'm proud son of Igwe Ogun, Agunia, Chukwano Kam. So proud son I am. What the hell is wrong with your mindset? This useless int. To talk about men of God. The worst part, you open your useless mouth to talk about the Jesus Christ that the white people give you people. The Bible that white people give you people. You are a foolish man. You don't have sense. You open a page on the internet to extract money from people, to steal from people. People will call you, want to donate money to charity, whatever, you accept it. You're a biggest fool. Dead motherfucker, so you are. Planted, useless animal. You're a scalawag idiot. You provoke me and you provoke the heaven to talk about men of God. You even talk about priests. You open your mouth and talk about Reverend Father. We have the great one in Enugu State. Great Reverend Ejike Mbaka is a prophet. When you talk about one, you talk about others. Now thunder go blast your generation. It shall never be well with your entire life. You dey dash 1 million. Who the hell give you 1 million to dash? Fraudster like you. Idiot. To open your mouth and call a man of God a fraudster. Okay, you are giving charity. Now I see why your jealousy is so high. You talk about jealousy. Do you know what the meaning of what you're doing? in your state where you come from, your village in Soka, they kill a lot of people. Innocent pregnant women. Little baby was massacred. Where the fuck are you? Even some reverend fathers. Where the hell are you? Idiots. A doctor. You've not healed yourself from disease of jealousy that is worrying you. How can you be jealous about the men of God? Okay, your annoyance is about the claim Mohammed said that they give 8 million. They would have given you that 8 million. Emekane, is it not from your state? Emekane is from Enugu state. Where were you? Emekane is sick, crying for help. You cannot help. You talk about Anessa Suzu. That the actor, that they gave car, they gave money after he died. Is your evil spirit that killed that actor. Your jealousy is the one that killed him. So you're praying for others to die. May every sickness that be happening to Claire Wahamese happen to you and your generation. Whatever that is happening to a mechanic that is from Enugu state, may that sickness come to you and kill you overnight. People that a man of God, prophet of God, give money, bless them, to support them. You come and talk about, do you think it's every sickness that people will speak on? There's some sickness you don't need to speak. Okay, be healed. The person will heal immediately. No. You say be healed. The word has been passing. The judgment has been decreed. You will wait for the God to perfect his own. He's a miracle working God. He's not a dead God. A second is too much for God to do what he wants to do. Like people that is waiting for blessing for this Christmas. I cannot travel. I cannot do this because I don't have money. A second is too much for God to open doors for you. A useless trained, nurtured animal that trained from the zoo area of Nsukka, you come out to talk nonsense about men of God. You want people to say, I'm disappointed about Enugu State. No. Enugu State is the best state in the whole world. Now, devil will punish you in your generation. To talk about my state, you open mouth and say you're from my state. May the spirit that carry Enugu State bring you down and cripple you. Animal. Prophet Jeremiah is a blessing to Nigeria. All the prophets that help people, that pray for people without asking for money, they are blessing to Nigeria. Are you talking about Prophet Onyoloka, Victor Onyoloka, Atunteje? These are the men that men from God, not men of God. They are men from God. Reverend Ejike Mbaka, the Zion Ministry, Prophet Ebuka, or this prophet of God that works. Okunelele, men of God. Are you talking about people? Let TB Joshua, may his soul rest in perfect peace. Men that bless people. Blessing. Blessed is the hand that giveth. Idiot. He go to internet. He popped 3-4 people from one place. Say how come and talk that you gave them money. May devil damage your life, idiot. And then your progress. So you want Claire Mohammed to remain in a sickness. A man that put happiness into the people's mind. You that have not put in a smile into any faces, even your family. Share this video. Tell this idiot, useless guy that is Royal Highness King Jeff Agoboro. It's in the world of United Arab Emirates. I say that may devil damage your kidney. A Dr. Blumwing, Dr. Amus. And as a doctor, I'm connected doctor. Okay, I know Papa. If after the men of God and I bless people. No, give me a popular. Kamalo, you will need a book. I know Papa. Can one day walk on Yibo? Organirundi Bokenacho. Can one day walk in Nandikalo? Kebono. You've not seen a problem to talk about. Nandikalo is there. Facing trouble. What is he facing trouble for? Because he's saying the truth. He's fighting for good people of Igbo land. Not all these useless governors. He's fighting for good people of Igbo land. They put him behind there. And he still sit there and still saying the fact. Free the Igbo people. You are there doing your own nonsense. Fighting against men of God that is praying for the same Nandikalo. Water you drink. May the air you breathe. May they cause you disease in your system. May you live from this moment affliction upon affliction. Can God call it? anụ mpama ndị mmadụ nọ na-ekpe ekpere si Chukwu okike abịa ma wepụla anyị ọgụ wepụla anyị mgba ị na ọdịya na-akọ rọbish juga na efi ndị Nsụka nkwatọrọ ndị Nsụka mkpi na-achọ nwunye ọ ga-agba ewu. Is this your fighting against men of God that blesses people? Is it the Nigerian problems? Is it what we have as an issue? I ain't with problem in Nigeria. Nsobu kale. Nnamdi Kanu na-edu ndị Igbo. Nnamdi Kanu na-eweta good suggestion. Nnamdi Kanu chọọ your freedom. Where's Nnamdi Kanu? Talk about that one. Yeah, our problems. Tell Buhari that is causing problem in Nigeria. Yes. I tell them the truth. They fly to Dubai to pick me. Dubai government tell them you cannot pick him. He's our citizen. Go home. Go home. You can't pick him up. You think I'll be small sharp you can pick up? Go home. When I came back, they invite me. We went for peace talk. Does that still clean what I have said? The truth I said is still in the internet. Oh, you might like it, I like wrong. I like you anyhow. It's not on there and I make noise. I ain't about a film, I ain't about a film. In with cable. Oh, you cable on about a film. I ain't with television. I ain't remote. I ain't wire. Boy, I ain't about a film. You know that color you go on. In one maya, all I told you, what dinner na la rola. La rola. I'm going to need a spirit of Ola to okay. I'm going to need a spirit of Ola to okay. La rola. I beg share this video because